Alright, got this glass stream boat for sale, and a couple things. I've got new fuel line I'm going to put on it, and a new connector. Connector was bad, so I plan on doing that today. I'm going to hook up my tank temporarily, just show it running, pump up the bulb. So I gotta turn the water on. That's that new fuel line I'm gonna put on this one. But I thought it came with a connector, but I guess it didn't. I didn't check it that close. I should have. Okay, turn on some water. Look for a warm-up lever. Choke one time. Okay, so right here you won't be able to hear what I'm saying, but basically I'm showing my tank I have hooked up to it, and again I'm going to replace the hose going to the tank and the bulb, and then the connector that connects to the motor. But yeah, it runs pretty good. Anyway, not a lot of gas in the tank. Runs really good. I guess a little bit more about the motor. You got power trim. Make sure we're got a good picture here. You got two batteries. Guess I could take the cowl off. Front plate. yeah, so you got nothing leaking, nothing crazy weird anywhere. These will be all cleaned up. Wiring's great. All the wiring's in really good shape. It's got the old style voltage regulator, your coil starter, your wires, the distributor's in good shape. Gonna grease it up so it's all properly greased, and so that guy's ready to be ran. So that's pretty much the motor. I'll take this off and open up the here, and I can show you that. That's got the power trim in it. 2 batteries, one for the trolling motor, one for the engine, both 12 volt. You've got, you know, these little seats here. You got a seat for the front. I guess you take one off and use it for the back if you want to. Oh no, I'm sorry, there's another seat. So you got the seat back here, and then, you know, you got a build switch. You can kind of hear it. The trim is on the side of the remote. And then this is a 43-pound thrust trolling motor. It's an older trolling motor, but it runs really good. I even think I checked it. So yeah, there you go. There's that. You know, I'm not even sure. You know, oh, it's a tracker. That's what it is. It's a tracker 40. So this is 43-pound thrust. And you got different positions. All time. Manual. A little bit higher thrust. And then you got your adjustment of how fast you want it to go. Probably needs to be kind of down. Oh, there it goes. A little slower. You got your high. And that's just that little guy right there. Trailer's in good shape. Jack works. Lights work. I haven't gone through this boat too much, so I don't know what's in where. I have opened this up. It's got a couple extra pumps laying in there if somebody wants to fool with. Spare tire. Got an extra pole. So, you know, manual steering. And the hull is in really good shape. So yeah, the hull is, I mean, it's an older boat. I don't really see much of anything. A few little nicks in there, here and there. Yeah, it's some Astroglass. I guess Pleasant View, Tennessee and Parker, Arizona. This is where they made them. It's got a nice transom on it. It's got this piece of aluminum. Got another piece of aluminum. It's like, you know, it doesn't seem to be leaking anywhere. You know, it's just a single axle trailer. It's got bearing buddies on it. Or, well, not the, yeah, bearing buddies. You need the caps, but all in all, it's a great little boat for somebody. If they're interested in it, I'm going to get rid of it. So yeah, just contact me if you're interested, and we'll talk to you soon.
I used to hear 'em talking the story.